It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop.
Mama!
Hey,
Good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mama. I've been playing my barn.
Oh, his barn.
Where's your barn? We got your barn. Gone.
He's gone, but he left a surprise for you.
I can't All right, let's go see what he brought. Wow! Wow! What did Santa bring?
And the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles.
Wow, Bubba.
Yes, it's Christmas.
Wow. What do you think?
It's a magic time.
That's cool.
You can feel it in the air.
Awesome.
Every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes. Oh,
What is it, Bubby? Yay!
Stamps.
That'll be so fun.
this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
A chicken coop. Right there. Oh, yeah, I like that. That got a sheep on there. Yeah, a sheep.
With so much love and with joy and laughter, let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
And zoo animals. Awesome. Candy. Yeah. Candy in my stocking. Candy in your stocking. Rice Krispie treats. Ooh, what's that? That's for the bathtub. Yeah. It's paint for the bathtub. Yeah. That's it for your bathtub too. It's got a reindeer on there. It'll turn your water blue. It's a bath bomb.
All right.
Where you, Colt? What's in there? He's like, I need help. I need help. I've locked myself out.
Oh!
Dog treats.
And?
Ready, Colt?
Woo!
Woo!
Oh, Brooks.
It's a reindeer, Colty. Oh, Brooks. I think Ho-Ho ate some of your cookies. Alexa, stop.
He did. He did. He did.
He did. Look, and I think the reindeer took a bite of the carrot too.
Yeah.
And all the milk is gone. All the milk's gone. That means Ho-Ho drank it. Oh, that's awesome. You think Rudolph likes those carrots? Are you gonna try it? It may not be very good right now. You want a treat, Colty? Oh, all right. Trying out the new skates. You can do it, Brooks. There you go.
Stand up, just walk.
Yeah, just walk
Just
in
walk. There you go.
them. All right. No.
Just walk.
There you go. There you go. You got it. Oh.
Stand up. Stand up.
It's gonna take some practice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Christmas Day, as you can see. Ho brought him this train set. He's been playing with it all morning. He literally played until he passed out on the floor. So we all took a nap. We had breakfast. I made a egg, cheese, sausage casserole, and then a hash brown casserole, and then I also made monkey bread, but by the time everything was done, we didn't even eat the monkey bread. So we'll have that later probably, or tomorrow. So we just had a relaxing day at home. We celebrated with Taylor's side yesterday on Christmas Eve, and then we're gonna go to my parents tonight. So it's gonna be so much fun. Are you having the best Christmas? This is the first Christmas where he's actually been able to like open presents and know that Santa is coming and like feed the reindeer and be excited for it. So it's been really sweet. Taylor got me this Magnolia magazine for my stocking. What?
Look.
Show them to us. What'd you get?
See my barn.
Show us your barn. Show it to us. What does it do? Whoa, it opens up.
It don't have farm animals.
Well, where'd they go? He's got some cows right there. All right. Some dinosaurs. He's got a little bit of everything. This was his gift from Ho-Ho. And then the rest of it was from family or us. He loves farm animals, like you guys probably know. And so he got a bunch of like horse trailers and chicken coops and just like little farm animal pieces. They are everywhere. But he got a Mr. Potato Head and those skates. He got a lot of fun stuff, huh?
Wow. A helicopter. A helicopter.
Helicopter?
The
Where does it go?
Right here.
Right there. Yep, that's right. It's got its little landing.
Yeah, got a helicopter.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, what is it? A man?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And what do they do in the helicopter?
It flies.
It flies in the air? All right. What else do you have? Where'd your train track go?
Gone. Gone.
We'll have to put it back together, huh? Got ducks?
Yeah.
Load up the car. It is 64 degrees outside, which is crazy, but we are on our way to... Where are we going?
Mimi house.
Mimi's house. Mimi and Paws. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What do you think's over there?
I see grass.
You see grass?
Yeah. What is?
Have you had a good Christmas?
Yeah. Hi guys. Merry Christmas.
Beep beep! Mimi Express. Popping a wheelie. Woo! Jace, you got your Christmas sweater on? You need some boys.
Everyone.
How many is this?
1, 2, 3, 4.
M&M's! Woohoo! Those are your favorite. Hey, we'll use those for potty training. What is that? Play-Doh. All right. Oh, Teddy Graham. Getting them all sorted. Are those for you?
Yeah.
Do they say your name on them?
Yeah.
Where?
One B.O. Books.
B.O. Brooks. It does. Good. B-R-O-O-K-S. Brooks from Mimi and Paul.
I'll go get my
That's some thick paper, huh? You need some help? Start for you. Okay, there you go.
a box.
Grace is helping you. Oh, you can put Oh. Do you need some help?
Box!
A box.
Yes! I think I cool.
What is it? Got it? What is it? What is it, Bubba? Is this from you guys?
Yes.
This is from Kyle and Courtney. Yeah.
So I got stuff to make pour over coffee,
Pour over.
which includes the
Coffee grinder?
so you can, obviously roast your beans
All
or
right.
grind your beans fresh.
Yep.
Then come over here,
Show me what you got. What you really got.
a couple different beans, barista parlor.
So
This
good.
place is in Nashville, Tennessee. 3 locations in that area.
Yeah. So it's beans.
It's kind of a different setup.
Yeah. It's weird. It's good though. Smells so good.
Anyways,
Got all
then
your grounds.
we've got well,
Protein
not
powder.
coffee, but
Choco.
the Chemex.
So that's how you make it? You make it with this?
Yes.
That looks like some Indian hoodoo voodoo
So
situation.
a chemist who was studying coffee, he actually invented this.
All right.
So, kind of fun fact. Named Chemex.
Huh. That's what they use at barista
Here's
parlor.
the filters. You just kind of put it in there. Got the cone. Then you put your grinds in it.
Oh.
Water in the kettle, and then you just
Pour it over.
pour it. But there's a process to it, so
Oh, okay.
find it on YouTube somewhere. You know.
YouTube it. You'll
Yeah.
figure it out. That's pretty cool though. We're gonna try some later.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here.
Master pickle hider. Do you guys do the pickle game? Let me know. Whoever wins gets a prize, and this girl won. She got a $25 Starbucks gift card. Tiles. Those are cool. Those are the bristle ones. All right.
So cool.
Those are cool.
Yeah.
How cute is this pullover? Love it. So soft. And I got some Spanx leggings. They're kind of that faux leather look. So excited. I got this. Oh, what is this? Brooks's toy. Magnolia Hearth and Hand Sand. And some Ray Done salt and pepper shakers. Ray Done pens. Little home sign. And espresso beans. He's asleep. He's had a big day. We just put Brooks down to bed. It has been such a good Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some memories from our day. I mainly just wanted to make this video to be able to look back on for years to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I will see you very soon in a new video. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.